The first new technology that I came across that I thought was interesting that I had not used before was was Google Keep. Since taking the master's course, I've really become familiar with Google and used a lot of aspects of Google, which I really liked, so it was cool to find this. The reason I chose this resource was because I'm a person that uses sticky notes all the time. Like, I like to have a list and then cross it off, or I can throw that sticky note away to feel accomplished. And this kind of lets me do it in a digital world with saving some trees. My goals or objectives behind this was to kind of help me organize things. Like, I don't know about you, but I have a lot of different roles in teaching with my FFA. I teach 6 different preps, and I am the volleyball coach. There's a lot of things that I like, oh, hey, I need to remember to tell this group. And then as the day goes on, I forget, and then I'm like, and it might be too late for that. So this is something that can help me with that. It can help me with really the intended audience can be anybody. It could be something with coworkers, but I plan to use it more for myself and students. The two ISTE standards I felt that this fit were 1A that states that learning goals made possible by technology and reflect on their effectiveness, and 2C, which states that technology, digital content, and learning opportunities meet diverse needs of all students. So we all know students are very forgetful. This could just be another way for us to help remind them. So step by step on kind of how to use this and what I found to play with it. It's called Google Keep. If you go up here to your apps, there's a little thing that says Keep. You click on that and it is an extension to your Chrome. So I did have to add that and I already added that. So to start, I'm going to take a little note that says, I'm going to say, please remind volleyball girls of practice time change tomorrow. And I can add that uh, within my file. I can set a remind me. So if I want a reminder tomorrow to 8, okay, I need to send that to all my volleyball girls. I can also add collaborators. So in our district, every student has an email. So I could say, hey, I want to share this email with Sally, and all the girls could end up getting this as well. So I thought that was a really cool feature. You can change the colors to make things stand out or color code things, anything like that. And it just kind of shows up here, which reminds me very much of my own sticky notes. I can create labels, so I can label one volleyball, label one first hour, label one FFA officers, and just kind of keep them up to date while also helping remind me through an alarm on my computer, don't forget this for this hour, which lots of times on my sticky notes I do forget. So this is just one resource that I found really cool as a new technology to use.